got my eyes on you. You got vibes on you. I know if you die for you, ladies, but I'll live my life for you. I got my eyes on you. You got vibes on you. Check out my shit. We could go on a vacation, have fun maybe all night long. Check out my shit. Yeah. We could go on a vacation, have fun maybe all night long.
Good morning. I'm officially back on reserve. I haven't been on reserve in over 5 months, so I am just in this basically for the first time in a long time. Not only that, but they changed a lot of the reserve hours and just the way the system works when it gives you trips. So if you don't know, and if you do, bear with me, but being on reserve as a flight attendant is basically being at home on call. You can either also be at the airport on call. So basically, I don't know where I'm going. I don't know where they're sending me, but I can put in some bids saying I would like to go here, or I would like to be on reserve at this time. I would like to be home, or I would like to be at the airport. It's a big what if game, and what if we send you here? Personally, I prefer to be on reserve at home. I have to drive over a bridge and I have to pay tolls. So if I'm not going anywhere, if I don't know for 100% fact that I'm gonna go somewhere, I'd rather not leave my house. So that is it. The only thing is the reserve at home is longer than the reserve at the airport, and that would be standby. That's what it's called. You'd be on standby. So if you're at the airport, if I remember correctly, and please, I haven't been on reserve in a while, so bear with me. I'll try to fact check, and if I am wrong, I'll put the information on the screen. But I believe it's a 6-hour standby shift, and at this for a fact I know, they will call you and you have roughly 10 to 15 minutes, barely that, to get to the gate. And you may be there helping to board the flight. If the flight attendant that originally had the trip doesn't show up, you are stuck on that flight. So you may or may not go. So it's always best to bring all your stuff with you. They obviously tell you this in training. They tell you in your probation meeting. They tell you on the phone, like, bring all your stuff, because you don't know. The flight attendant may be running late, so you may just help board the flight, and then you go back and sit on standby for the rest of your time unless they call you again to do something else. So you may go to Buffalo, New York. You may go to Milan. You may go to Tokyo. You may go to Miami. You never know. So it's always good that you pack appropriately for a standby shift. So while I'm at home, we do have a 3-hour call out for my base specifically. So if they call me, currently it's 8:17. So 8 to 9, 9 to 10, 10 to 11. I have until 11:17 to show up to the gate, right? The next thing is I'm at home, so if they call me and they tell me like where I'm going, well, I'm definitely going, but where I'm going, I have time to at least take that winter jacket out of my bag, or throw that winter jacket in my bag, or throw that flip-flops in my bag, or throw that sneakers. Like, I have time to kind of change a little bit what I didn't have or what I would like to have in my suitcase. But you still got to show up on time. You still got to get there, but you just have a little bit more time. Anywho, my hot water is all brewed up. So I'm going to make a nice lemon hot water mix. I am watching something on HBO Max, and it's called Dune Prophecy for those of you that like Dune. I've already washed my face, brushed my teeth, all that extra stuff. If I do get called, I just really need to iron my uniform quickly. But while I'm home, this is my first day, and it's currently 8:18. My time ends at 12 p.m. noon. So I'm just going with the flow. This is gonna be a very short video. Yeah, this is just being on reserve. I don't have anything to do today. If I did, I would show you, but yeah. Let's go make some tea. I still have a couple hours left. I'm trying to, like 2 hours left. Haven't gotten a call yet or a notification, but I'm hungry. I do plan to go to the gym after my reserve time is up. I'm just drinking some protein smoothie. What I put in it would be some steel cut oats, plant-based protein powder, peanut butter, some mixed nuts, water, and ice, and that's really it. Yeah, that's really it. I have this tube top on, so y'all don't get no funny ideas. It's really good. I'm still very tired from last month because I worked 122 hours and 33 minutes worth of flight time. That doesn't include the time that we had to sit and wait, the delayed times, times away from home, time to work, time from work. Like there's so much more, but those are only the hours worth of flight that I was in the air. So just worth of flight time. It's quite a lot. So my body is still feeling it, but yeah, if you guys want to see a schedule breakdown video from last month, drop a comment down below. Even if it's one, I'll do it. I can share with you where I went and, you know, the different cities that I flew to, the places that I actually stayed at, for how long I stayed in those specific places. I think it'd be quite interesting. So if you're interested in hearing about that, let me know. And that was an actual schedule, so I knew tomorrow where I was going to go. I knew next week where I was going to go. I had the freedom to switch those things around. I had the freedom to say, you know what, let me try to drop my trip to someone else because I don't want to go here next week, basically. Or let me try to pick this place up because I would really love to go to London next week. So that's kind of what that schedule last month was like. So if you were interested in hearing about it, let me know and I'll make a video. And yeah, I'm gonna go continue watching my series because it's the only thing that's helping me cope with life right now. Oop, don't mean to get all sad and emotional. Let's go.
Years to prepare, Michael. To eat.
My reserve time is officially done. It is 12:18 p.m. I'm actually gonna go on the computer now and put in my bids for tomorrow because bids come out around 3 to 4 p.m. Anywhere in between that time, I'll find out what I've been assigned for the next day. So before I forget, I'm gonna do it again. I'm gonna do the same time that I was on, which was basically midnight to noon, 12 to 12. I'm gonna do that because personally I like that. For the first 6 hours at least, there's no trips, so that cut down my time. I don't mind it. Maybe
in a couple weeks I'll try a different time to see, because I would like to fly this month, but at the same time I'm tired. I already said that earlier. I don't really want to fly right now, so we'll see. But it would be the case where they wait until you have literally 1 day left to send you on a turn where you go somewhere and come right back, which is kind of frustrating, because then you miss out on so many amazing trips where they could have used you for, like, you're good for 4 days. You could have gone to Tokyo, you could have gone to London, you could have gone to, I don't know, like Barcelona, wherever, you know. But no, them use you for the little Chicago turn on your last day. So yeah, but it is what it is. It's what we sign up for. I'm in the system now, and I'm gonna put my bid in for tomorrow. So I think I already have one for wrap, which is the reserve availability period. I'm gonna just put in some trips for specific trips, like if you are going to use me, please send me here. So let's see how that goes. It's gonna take me a while to do that, so I'm just gonna clear that up, and then I'm gonna shower and go down to the gym.
Nancy, Nancy, Nancy.
Okay, so I'm not gonna do a full workout video or anything. I'm gonna show you 3 of my favorite workouts, which would be the hip thrust, the deadlift, and the step up. I feel like these 3 workouts have been really influential in my growth. I do other workouts like calf raises, I do single leg deadlifts, and I'm trying to think of what else I do. I can't remember, but yeah, I'm just gonna show you 3, starting with the hip thrust, and then I'm gonna walk on the treadmill for 15 minutes. I think after I'm done with this, I'm gonna bring the car to the car wash. I do want to make some food, but anyways, let me shut up. I'm gonna make some food, bring the car to the car wash, and I want to go to Sephora to get some stuff before tomorrow. And yeah, let's go. So this is a home gym. I don't have as much stuff as I would like, as heavy weights as I would like. So I'm using, oh Jesus, that never sit on right. I'm sorry. I just literally hurt myself. Anyways, let me shut up. I don't have the heaviest weight that I would like, but I use the 40-pound dumbbell, and I use the 15-pound dumbbell, which gives me 55 pounds. When I go to the gym, like when I go to a hotel that have a full nice big gym with, like, you know, free weights, barbells, etc., then I use the heavier weights. But for now, this is what I can do at home. I know I should not be putting it on my hips like this. Please, I'm not your PT, I'm not your trainer. Do what you want to do at your own risk. Don't follow me on Bicana say. All right, I'm just gonna do 12 of these. All right, let's go. No fast forwarding or nothing. I'm gonna try my best to show you the deadlift, which I use both 40 pounds for. I'll come a little closer. Try to stand shoulder width apart. I keep the dumbbells close to my legs, as you can see, and I literally go down and pull back up. And I pull back in, and I do 10 of these. Okay, so I finished with the gym. I'm gonna make something
to drink another protein smoothie because it's gonna take me a while to make dinner and I need something to eat right now. So again, it's just the same thing that I got from earlier, and I'm sorry about the clip cutting out. I did not realize that the camera was quite literally on 2% when I went down there. So the next time I'll show you guys some more of the workout, but for now let's make some quick protein smoothie. This time around I'm gonna put the peanuts, the mixed nuts at the bottom of the layer. Then I'm gonna put the powder. Hold on. That's good. This is, by the way, from, I believe it's like Shop and Stop or Stop and Shop or wherever, but it's the PB2 Performance peanut protein with Madagascar vanilla and plant powder. So for my skin and for my gut health, plant-based protein is better than whey protein, but definitely just go with whatever works for you. Hold on, I have something more falling. I normally just do 2 scoops because 2 scoops is 20 grams of protein. Another thing that you can do with this is you can put it in your yogurt. You can put it in your pancake. You can put it in anything to just help give yourself that extra protein intake that you need. Now I'm gonna add some water, some peanut butter, 1 scoop, 1.5. Since this container is so much smaller, I need to blend it out so I can have space for the peanut butter. And this, by the way, is a Ninja portable blender. Alright, that's perfect. Grab a good chunk. And just knock it out, and just like that, the spoon clean. And just like that, it's ready to consume. So cold. So I'm just gonna slice and dice some of these things. I like to keep my area clean. That's the type of person I am. You're gonna see me washing up. Well, you're not gonna see because that's too much. But normally when I'm preparing meals, I clean as I go. I just feel like it's the easiest way to keep the kitchen clean. Don't mind the dripping water because it's annoying me too if you can hear it. But I want to show you the seasonings that I also plan to use in the meals. So there's this Maggi. Hold on, let me. There's this Maggi all-purpose seasoning, black pepper, onion pepper. Oh no, it's onion, garlic salt. Oh my gosh, garlic salt, paprika. So I don't think I'm gonna add anything else other than these things right here. And the seasoning may add a little bit of brown sugar and a little bit of soy sauce and other things just to give it a little bit more flavor. But for the seasoning, this will be it. So let's get into it. There we go. Guys, I'm not a chef. I didn't claim to be one. It's best to just leave them in the description box. Put this when I just beat it like that. that will be it. I feel like Martha Stewart. All right, let's go over to the stove. This party started. I'm gonna actually spray some of this palm olive oil spray as well as vegetable oil. Let me spray this first. Yep, just like that. Now we need to separate up this mince. This is looking so good. I'm so proud of me. That's really it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little cooking segment, even though it was like really brief. Once you come and we do the cabbage, maybe show you the final part of the meal, and then I think I may end the vlog off very soon. So please like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys very soon. What the salad's looking like. I know it's probably not very appealing to you, but I have some tomato, cucumber, lettuce. I also have some avocado, some what's this, walnuts, hazelnuts, red onion, and some other type of nuts and berries in it, so it makes a really nice salad. That's it for now. I'll see you guys. So that has been my very realistic day on Reserve. I hope you guys liked it. I didn't really leave the house like I thought I would, but maybe in another video I will. I'm going to end off the video how I started the video, with a nice hot tea infused with lemon, and I'm gonna watch Outlander. So make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And if my mood has seemed a bit down in this one, just pray for me. Pray for me, pray for your girl. I really appreciate all the love and support, and it means a lot. It goes a long way. Mwah.
Wait to taste your skin.